Do you want to send media that can only be viewed once on Messenger? When you send a photo or video this way, it can't be screenshotted. I'll show you how to send a photo or video with the View Once feature. Start by opening the Messenger app and selecting the chat where you want to send the photo. Make sure you have the latest version of the app. Tap the camera icon to take a photo. You can choose the HD option if you prefer. Then, to send the image with the View Once setting, click on Keep in Chat, and this will change to View Once. Send the image and wait for it to go through. After sending, you won't be able to open the photo again. Please note that, for certain reasons, this feature might not be available on all chats but only on specific ones. You can also use View Once with images from your gallery. Select an image from your gallery and tap Edit. Change the option to View Once and then send the photo. Here's how it appears for the recipient. I'll open it, and as you can see, the image is not visible because screenshotting and screen recording are blocked. And that's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.